Hello, this is my first video for my channel, so I'm going to teach you how to make an origami canal. Well, I'm quite a slow cook on this, but yeah. Okay, to begin, see this long line, get this line and fold it to the bottom line. Crease. And then we undo it and then turn the paper around and take this part to this side again. You can do many creases as you like, but to me, this is the limit too. Once you did that, this line, you cut it, like you rip it, and then put your two hands on these. This one part and the other part, and then rip it. Once you did that, you can take one piece and one to your friend. So this long part to this part again, before, and make a crease and open it up. This line to this middle line, you see, and then make a crease. Once you did that, do it to the other side. Once you did that, you turn this around to the straight way, and then this corner you fold it to here. So do that. See? Like that. Just like that. And do it to the other side. Well, you don't really have to do this accurate, but yeah. And then do it to the other side. And then you have it here. You're not really finished. So turn it to the straight line. And then you see here, you get this, and then fold it to here. Just like the same, but once you did it, it'll be a bit longer. So make a crease, and it'll be this. And then do it to the other side. And then do it to this side, which you haven't done. once you did this, there's a few more steps. Once you did those steps, it'll be just like this. I think it can go water, but yeah. Okay. So you open this up, and then you push this in like this, and then you push this in. Push this in. Keep pushing it to every single part. And then once you did that, it's like a bit flat. So this line, you just like fold it in and then make a piece. And do it to the other side. So this line. Well, my one is not really proper, but you get the point when you do it. Oh god. But anyway, and it will just be like this. My one I just took out one of the flaps. I had to exchange with my friends. And it'll just be like this. A canoe. And a flying canoe. And it's something. Okay, bye bye.